So Sundar, what are we doing here today?
Today we're going to talk about the apps in the gallery.
Apps in the gallery. So you guys worked really hard last year, and we created how many?
25 apps.
25 apps, and we created our own AENA platform where the auditor can go directly to the platform and without license, knowledge, software, licensing, anything, they can run very advanced analytics in a matter of what? Seconds, minutes?
Minutes probably.
Which one are we going to talk about today?
Today we're going to talk about Sankey diagrams.
That's my favorite. The first time I saw the Sankey diagram, I was very attracted to the multicolors that you can see, but what is it?
Sankey is basically from thermodynamics. It's used to determine the energy transfers taking place in a process. The thicker the line or the thinner the line determines or shows you how the energy transfer process happens, right? So in a financial transaction, the thicker the line, the more dollar value, and then to which segments they are being split up and flow into, right? That is what the diagram shows you.
Right, and we use it pretty much in every audit that we run, and we use using it in T&E, right? When we can just get all the transactions from travel expenses, we plug it in the app, and right away we can see the flow transaction, right? And the thicker the flow, the arrow, the thicker the flow, and we can see how many are for credit card, how many are for cash, and in different categories. It was for sponsorship, entertainment, meals, all the way to which organization is spending.
Absolutely.
So
now we're going to go into the demo and talk about Sankey diagram.
Let's do it.
I'm going to now give a demonstration of how to run the Sankey application. First, we're going to navigate to the Alteryx Gallery homepage, and if you don't have an account, then you could set one up. I use my company email address. Once on this page, you can see all the different applications. We're going to go ahead and choose a Sankey. And this actually has descriptive information on what this app does, how to run it, why you might be using this particular application. You're allowed to download it in case you have Alteryx and you want to look at some of the code or leverage it in another analysis. We're going to go ahead and use run for this time. We're going to select the user, in this case myself, as well as the file that we're going to analyze. Now this is an Excel document, so this is just asking for the tab information. I'm going to go ahead and hit next. Now it's going to bring up criteria to fill out, and this is based on the information in the file you uploaded. So you could choose the different fields based on how you want to look at the data, and it becomes a little clearer when you're actually see the Sankey of how these fields tie in. In this case, I'm just going to do these as they are, the default settings, to make it a little quicker. I'm going to hit run, and this may take a few minutes, so you can walk away depending on how large the data is. It could be very quickly, or it might be 10-15 minutes depending on. Once it's finished, it will send you an email, and here we go. And this link is a link right directly to Tableau dashboard, and you could view your Sankey diagram. And you can see quickly that criteria 1, 2, and 3 are the 3 fields that I've automatically filled out at the time. This is showing you a breakdown based on volume. And you could quickly see, based on criteria 1, there's employee recognition, entertainment, fees, meals. Looking at these color schemes, you could follow them all the way through and see that this was done by the corporate card, this green color. And then there's also another breakdown in the middle. And you're more than welcome to go back into the application and change this criteria to view the data in a different way. And that's it.